Let's introduce you to elho's Plant Mister. Like all elho products, it's made from recycled plastic and built to last a lifetime with our signature, thoughtfully crafted design. The Mister gives you a whole new spraying experience. It's soft, gentle, and smooth, perfect for all your plant friends. And the best part? It has a continuous misting effect that lasts up to 5 seconds. Getting started is simple. Just follow these quick steps. Unscrew the spray head. Fill the bottle with water. Screw the head back on. On top, you'll find a locking system. Red means it's locked. Switch it, and you're good to go. For a continuous mist, just give the mister a few pumps. Now that's plant care made easy. Now you're ready to treat your plants to a refreshing, gentle mist, perfect for keeping them happy and hydrated.